Meet Scott. Scott is an IT admin at a large financial institution. His job is to make sure that thousands of employees' mobile devices are managed securely, and he does that very efficiently. What's his secret? Samsung, Knox Suite and Business Services. They helped him through every step of the mobile device security, deployment, and management process. 2,000 brand new Samsung devices have just arrived at Scott's office. That's quite a lot. He needs to have them ready for work by tomorrow so they can be distributed to all employees. Surely that isn't enough time, right? Well, not for Scott. Scott just logs on to the Knox web console without even taking the devices out of their boxes. The device reseller has already uploaded the device IDs into the Knox cloud. Now he creates a profile and configures which EMM to enroll in, what apps to install, and what configuration adjustments to make on the device, with just a few clicks on the console. All done! Who knew that preparing to deploy 2,000 devices could be this simple? The next day, the employees come by to pick up their devices. When they turn their devices on, the magic begins. The defense-grade Knox security platform starts running, protecting them from mobile threats in real time. During the setup wizard, the employees are automatically enrolled in EMM, and the corporate IT policies are applied instantly. Also, all the work apps are installed, and corporate settings for email, Wi-Fi, VPN, and more are configured, all automatically. Scott didn't need to do much at all. Knox immediately turned the devices into work-ready devices right out of the box. Scott can now spend his time on more important stuff. Scott manages the devices he set up efficiently and remotely using Knox Suite. In addition to ensuring protection for device data and applying device feature restrictions, Scott can also dynamically fine-tune the devices to suit his company's IT environment by controlling connectivity, apps, data usage, and more. Oh, one of the employees says he needs help. Scott checks the status of the device using Knox and identifies the problem right away. He solves it immediately by accessing the employee's device remotely. No need for lengthy explanations over the phone. Scott has just finished testing a new OS version and is about to approve it to be deployed to the devices that he supports, when he notices that yet another update has been released. Scott diligently tests this even newer version and discovers that it isn't compatible with some of his company's key business applications. So, Scott uses the Knox console to select only the first update that is compatible and remotely deploys it to thousands of employee devices, while preventing the upgrade to the newer but incompatible version. In addition, Scott has no worries about any kind of technical issues that might crop up at work, thanks to enterprise technical support. He just needs to contact his company's dedicated Samsung support manager. Samsung's mobility experts take care of problems no matter where they occur and can help with devices, Knox, EMM solutions, and much, much more. Knock, knock, Scott! An employee has dropped by with a device that has a cracked screen. Here, take a new one. Scott is relieved that the Samsung Device Protection Service covers repairs to devices, even those that have gone beyond their default warranty periods. Good choice, Scott. You too can be like Scott and take your company's enterprise mobility to the next level. Samsung, Knox Suite and Business Services. Take Knox for a spin at samsungknox.com.